2 to 6 months, that's the starting point for you to be thinking about moving. And if you're moving, have an accepted offer, you're going to move either out of state or out of town. Hey, in today's video, we're going to give you the tips on moving and the checklist on the information you need to know when you're moving. 2 to 6 months is the time frame. Start planning ahead, tackle high-level chores, focus on the big picture. Say goodbye to all the clutter and stuff and get rid of it. Lower your stress level. That is a big one, guys. We're going to explain that to remove stress from your transaction. Raymond Beasley, United Real Estate Consultants, is here to help educate buyers and sellers. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You'll be notified. Let's move on, and we're going to get to it right now. Plan and organize ahead, and 2 to 6 months is not an unreasonable time to decide on when you should start your packing and get your plan together. If you're going to do any donations, a yard sale, estate planning, that needs to be done ahead of time. And especially if you're moving out of state, give yourself plenty of time. And if you're packing yourself or if you're hiring, that is a big decision. So you need to know the true cost of moving. Hire your movers, contact them months in advance, and get that reservations going. They're going to come to the house and take a overall inventory of your product, your home, your information, to give you a cost on the moving. You really need to understand the true cost if you're hiring movers. If you're not hiring movers, you're doing it yourself. Make sure you plan ahead, get your neighbors, friends, and family together months in advance. Plan for the move day to remove stress. All right, kids and pets. Make sure if you're moving with kids and pets, you have all the information available for them. Get them signed up for their new school. Get them enrolled. Make sure you check to make sure their immunization record is up to date, and it will be a lot less stressful in the move because you haven't planned for your new doctors, and make sure your records are all good, especially when you're moving to a new city or state. Your pets also need vaccination records. Plan for them. Make sure they have moving crates, or if you're hiring people to take care of them, make sure they're all up to date. Guys, make sure you do an inventory on your personal items. Take tons of photos. Document your valuable personal information, especially if something gets lost or stolen, and you have that information for your insurance company. It's time to order utilities. Don't forget about electric, gas, and internet, phone, cable, security. You're going to need all that information ahead of time. Schedule cleaning, painting, repairs at your new place. Do that ahead of time before you move in. Then you're not double backing on moving and moving things around, keeping stuff in boxes. Make sure you hire a locksmith and rekey the locks. It's very important for your own safety. Now, while the process of purchasing your new home is underway, your lender is going to want to know information about your insurance policy. That is the homeowner's insurance. And if you live in California, you might consider earthquake insurance as well. Make sure you ask your insurance company about the clue report. That is valuable information to know the history behind the property. Has it had any floods or anything? Now, don't forget about your personal items like medical, dental, banks, those personal things. Take care. Get those already arranged at your new location and remove the hassle of trying to set that up later, especially if you have small children and infants. You want that all set up. Make sure you get a change of address from the local post office, forwarding address, or where you want your mail to go ahead of time, or your new address. Make sure that that is all arranged ahead of time. And next is collect for your packing supplies and tape and boxes and the protective foam. make sure you get all that done ahead of time. It's available and it's ready. If you need to make travel arrangements ahead of time for relocating out of city, out of state, or you're locating a new job, make sure you get all of those travel arrangements and the flights paid for ahead of time. May save you a lot of money. And pack early, declutter, and congratulations, guys, on the new offer accepted. You're moving into your home. It's a very exciting time, and I just want to say congratulations. If you need any information, advice, reach out to me. Raymond Beasley, United Real Estate Consultants. Hey, if you got valuable information out of today's video, make sure you watch my next video. Hey, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment below, and I will see you on the next one.